Good morning, children. Today we will start with our history chapter number 5, that is movement towards independence. Now, the period from 1920 to 1947 is considered as the Gandhian age. Okay, because Gandhiji had come from Africa and he had started his movements, isn't it? The freedom fight in India. And because of that, in the last, we can say 20 to 30 years, because of his non-violence act, we can say, he had brought freedom to India. Okay. Now the second stage of national movement of India is a struggle for having constitutional rights, and moreover it is a struggle of freedom for India. Okay. Now we will start with the topic of Simon Commission. Now, Montfort-Chelmsford Amendment declared that a commission should be sent to India after 10 years to examine the effect and the operations of the constitutional reforms and to suggest more reforms for India. Okay, now, a suggestion was given by the British government that a committee should be sent to India to, have the reforms. इंडिया में रिफॉर्म्स लाने के लिए वो लोग वहाँ से कमिटी भेजेंगे. Okay. Group of 7 British members has been sent to look into the political situation of India and suggest reforms. So a committee of 7 members was sent to India to give their suggestions on political reforms. Now when this committee had come, the main was the commission consisted of Sir John Simon and 7 other members. Main was Sir John Simon and along with it 7 other members were there. Now it was found that the committee included only British members and no Indian. Okay. अब उसमें हुआ क्या कि when all these 7 people came to India along with John Simon Commission, all were Britishers. सब Britishers को ही वहाँ से भेजा गया. तो now the Indians were angry कि अगर political reforms India में करना है, India के लिए करना है, तो why not any Indian is being included in that committee? इंडियंस होंगे तो अच्छी तरह बता सकेंगे कि व्हाट ऑल चेंजेस वी वांट, या क्या करना चाहिए या क्या नहीं. बट ऑल द 7 मेंबर्स वर ब्रिटिशर्स. इंडियंस वर इवन नॉट अलाउड टू वोट ऑल्सो. अगर पॉलिटिकल रिफॉर्म्स करने हैं, वोटिंग उस टाइम पे करना है, बट इंडियंस वर नॉट अलाउड टू वोट. सो नाउ ऑल द इंडियंस थॉट ऑफ अपोजिंग इट. सब ने अपोज करना सोच लिया कि वी विल अपोज दिस साइमन. Now when Simon came to India, they were greeted with the black flags and slogans like Simon, go back. Isn't it? उन्होंने rallies निकाली, strikes किए, processions निकाले, and in the processions they gave the slogan as Simon, go back, and they unfurled the black color flag. Isn't it? सब जगह you can see in the picture Simon, go back. इस type के black flags they had unfurled. Now at that time, the assistant police superintendent ordered लाठी चार्ज on Lalaji's procession. लालाजी ने भी procession निकाला था. So Lala Lajpat Rai. So assistant police superintendent, he ordered a लाठी charge on the procession taken out by Lalaji. He was injured seriously by taking the lead of procession in Lahore. Few months later, he passed away. Okay, because of this लाठी charge only. लाला जी की डेथ हो गई थी आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स. एंड दी साइमन कमीशन वाले लोग 1 महीने के बाद तो वापस चले गए थे बिकॉज द ओपोज वॉज सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. द न्यूज ऑफ लाला जीज डेथ इंस्टिगेटेड वीर भगत सिंह, सुखदेव एंड राजगुरु. देयरफॉर दे किल्ड सॉन्डर्स. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ लाला जीज डेथ, भगत सिंह, सुखदेव एंड राजगुरु, they were so very angry, so they took the revenge and they killed Lord Saunders. Now Nehru Committee. Hindi Wazir Burkhan Hind presented a draft of the constitution as in Simon Commission, in which it stated that the Indian leaders of all the parties formulate appropriate constitution which the British government will further think about. Now उन्होंने एक ड्राफ्ट में लिखा गया कि इंडियन लीडर्स अपनी पार्टीज फॉर्मुलेट करें और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाएं. and in that constitution will be read by the British government, and उसके बारे में वो लोग सोचेंगे कि what to do. National General Assembly President drafted Nehru report which states the dominion status, independent judiciary, fundamental rights and adult suffrage. अब नेहरू कमेटी बनाई गई, उसमें मोतीलाल नेहरू ने he had made his own committee और उन्होंने पूरा अपना एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन टाइप बना के ड्राफ्ट बनाया, and then in that he had written about all the rules about the dominion status, he had written about the independent judiciary, fundamental rights के बारे में लिखा, adult suffrage, ये सब points cover करते हुए he had made a constitution and given to British government. But then British government rejected the recommendations made in this report. but British government ने मोतीलाल नेहरू का जो ये ड्राफ्ट था या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया गया था, the British government rejected this constitution. Okay, you can see the picture of Motilal Nehru. Now, demand of complete independence. Now, during this time, National Assembly members Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, at that time were very active leaders. Okay, they were the propagators of complete independence. Okay, उनको सबको complete independence चाहिए था. Now, Indian youths were not happy with the dominion status. उनको dominion status वाला नहीं चाहिए था. They all wanted a complete independence, isn't it? So all the youths met on bank of river Ravi in Lahore under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, for having a complete independence, they thought of having we can say a meeting. Okay, and in that meeting, where did they held that meeting? On the bank of river Ravi in Lahore. Their National General Assembly passed a resolution of complete independence. उन्होंने सोच ही लिया कि अब हम किसका डिमांड करेंगे? Complete independence. We all want a complete independence. So on 26th January 1930, the members took the oath of complete independence. उन्होंने on the bank of that river Ravi only, they took a oath कि अब हम fight करेंगे for complete independence. Since then, 26th January has become an important day. Independent India celebrates this day as a Republic Day. Now, giving importance, उस टाइम पे तो फिर 26th January 1930 को हमको independence नहीं मिला था, isn't it? But after independence also, giving importance to this date, 26th January को importance देने के लिए, this we can say this day is celebrated as Republic Day. Okay, so all the three topics are being given on page number 31. Small good topics, they come in 2 or 3 marks in your exam. Go through it, beta. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.